What if I told you the 2026 BMW iX just made every other electric SUV look like yesterday's news? This isn't just another EV. This is BMW unleashing its most advanced electric machine yet. And the second you hear what it's capable of, you'll realize why the iX is shaking up the entire luxury SUV market. Ready to be surprised? The iX doesn't follow trends. It sets them, starting with its design. Sure, the oversized kidney grilles are still controversial, but they're not just for looks. Hidden inside are sensors, cameras, and LiDAR for a futuristic driver assist system that's more advanced than ever. The body is sculpted with purpose: flush handles, frameless doors, and laser-precise lighting. And underneath, a carbon fiber reinforced structure that keeps it light, stiff, and seriously agile. But the real headline: power. The 2026 iX xDrive 70 is pushing out 700 horsepower from its dual motor setup. That's 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds in a full-size SUV. And while it's fast, it's smooth, silent, and seriously refined, like flying on the road. No roar, just seamless torque. And let's talk range, because BMW's not messing around. The all-new 120 kWh battery gives up to 420 miles on a full charge, EPA tested. That's more than enough to crush range anxiety. Plus, with BMW's new fast-charging tech, just 10 minutes gives you over 100 miles of juice. Even the upgraded home charger cuts charging time dramatically. Inside, it's even more impressive. Step in, and you're greeted by minimalist luxury. Ultra-slim seats, a massive curved screen that blends the instrument cluster and infotainment, and barely a button in sight. Everything's controlled via iDrive 9, a smarter, cleaner interface that actually adapts to you. No gear lever here, just a crystal toggle that feels straight out of a concept car. And get this, the 30-speaker Bowers & Wilkins sound system doesn't just play music, it vibrates through the seats. It's like a private concert on wheels. And yes, there's an electrochromic roof, clear or opaque at the tap of a button. Sun when you want it, shade when you need it. Pure luxury, redefined. BMW also went big on sustainability. The leather's tanned, using olive leaf extract. The floor mats are made from recycled fishing nets. Even the aluminum is produced using renewable energy. The iX isn't just electric, it's conscious. On the safety front, it's loaded. Level 3 autonomous drive, facial recognition, unlock, and AR navigation that projects directions right onto the road ahead. It's not just safe, it's smart. But how much does this all cost? The base model starts around $88,000. The top-tier xDrive 70? Over $110,000, fully equipped. Pricey, sure. But when you compare it to the Tesla Model X or Mercedes EQS SUV, the iX brings performance, design, and sustainability together in a way that's uniquely BMW. Here's something new. BMW's also rolling out subscription-based upgrades. Want adaptive suspension tuning or auto-drive modes? It's all unlockable with over-the-air updates. Even ambient scent control is now digital. Yep, your iX can literally smell the way you want it to. So is the 2026 BMW iX, the electric SUV to beat? With mind-blowing performance, ultra-luxe interiors, long range, and next-gen tech, it just might be. It's not just another electric SUV. It's the clearest vision of BMW's electric future yet. Would you take the iX over the Tesla Model X or the Lucid Gravity? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're into cutting-edge car tech, performance, and futuristic design, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe. Because the iX isn't just leading the electric revolution, it's setting a whole new standard for what comes next.